Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to share your Instagram story over to your WhatsApp status. Now, whether you have an iPhone or an Android and you created an Instagram story, if you wanted to bring that video or photo over and share it as a WhatsApp status, I'll show you exactly how to do that. First, just open up the Instagram app, again on your iPhone or Android, and tap on your story at the top left. Next, tap on More at the bottom right, and tap on Send midway down. You can see WhatsApp is in this list, so tap on WhatsApp at the bottom left, and then tap on My Status. However, you'll be able to see it says watch this story by Trevor Nace on Instagram, and it will have a link to my Instagram story. So this doesn't really work very well if you wanted the actual video in your WhatsApp status. This will just bring them over to Instagram. So if you wanted the actual video in your status, you're going to want to do this instead. So let's tap on Cancel, and instead tap on More at the bottom right, and then tap on Save midway down. Tap on Save Story or Save Video. Let's say Save Story, and you can see Story saved to camera roll. Now, if I open up WhatsApp, tap on Updates at the bottom left, and then tap on Status, you can see I can select this video now. And from here, I can tag people, I can add music or captions, whatever I want, and tap the Send button at the bottom right. And just like that, I have manually taken my Instagram story and shared it as a WhatsApp status. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that as well. Thanks, guys.